Kami dari Kinabalu Podcast ingin mengucapkan Kotobian Tadau Tagayo do Keamatan.
Yo, hello people, this is Ricardo.
This is Kenny.
Kami dari Kinabalu Podcast, the number one podcast in Sabah. Coming to our third part. The third part, season 12, episode yang kedua sebenarnya.
Yes, and we're doing podcast outdoors.
Yes, correct. Universal Studio Singapore. Ladies and gentlemen, kenapa kau macam kotor-kotor ni? Kau malu ke?
Saya malu
They
sikit
don't care, man. Seriously, they don't care. I'm telling you guys. I want to tell you guys the second part just now. I did all alone sebab I want to save time.
Oh, right.
Bukan I leave you all alone, tapi I want to save time lah. So di sini
You
ada
left me. I'm sad lah.
Yeah, if I wait for you, now you just the second part.
Itulah.
Now we finish the third part now.
And just now I went and enjoy my own ride.
Yeah, but begitulah. Ada orang limpas-limpas, no worries guys. But we are in Singapore right now.
Yes, we are.
Semalam, to be frank, kami akan cerita on the next episode that we talk about how Raja Razi punya concert. But this one specifically our trip to Universal Studio.
Yes, sir.
Ken, this is your first time to Universal Studio, right?
My very first time.
So what do you think about Universal Studio Singapore, man?
Honestly, I didn't know what to expect. I thought it's like a theme park macam gitu. It is
a theme park by the way,
yes,
but
it is.
yeah.
It is beyond my expectation.
I see.
This place is great, man. Especially the ride just now. Kalau bukan kamu orang force saya pergi, saya nak pergi tu. Serious.
Oh, you never ride any rides before?
I did. But that was back in Rainbow's End in Auckland, New Zealand.
That is not as heavy as this lah.
This is the craziest.
Right?
And I think I went and checked. This is the top 10 ride, the number one ride in USS Singapore.
Okay, alright.
So all in all memang best lah. Tapi you need to get air lah.
Yeah.
Bring water. You bring your own water here. Don't go and buy lah. I think I spent around $20 here buying water.
Well, what I realized tadi saya sudah cakap di second part just now. I talk about how's some of the things that they need to really make it new lah, refresh new lah. Excuse me, sorry.
Yes.
Never mind.
Excuse me.
Never mind. It's okay. Exactly. Sorry. So what I told them that on the second part.
Yeah.
Because what I've been here in 2018.
Way back.
Yeah, it's still the same. It is still the same as well. It is getting older.
They didn't
like
refurbish.
losing charms and everything. Yeah.
Oh.
I think refurbished some, but not all. And
The water park
the water park is.
back then when you were here in 2018, was it open?
I don't remember. I think so. Yeah. I think so. Everything is open, but
Okay.
I think the petang punya show. It's okay. Carry on. Never mind. So what happened yang last time? What I did? Apa yang berlaku lah masa tu. Petang dia punya show yang petang tu closing show tu was tadi ada Madagaskar kan. It's not as big as last time. They did a very big macam parade di situ. Panjang parade, and also people are like macam kiri kanan bagi jalan, everybody waiting di tepi just to take picture, just the videos and everything. And also it is not the same lah. That's the thing.
Alright, the vibe kurang lah.
The vibe is kurang. The color is like not vibrant anymore. But of course di luar sebenarnya macam sebelum kita masuk di bawah ni ada show baru macam ada Van Gogh.
Alright,
There's the new charms of it lah. Van Gogh ada macam water park. I mean there's a ikan ke something like that. I think the aqua or something somewhere
Something
here.
aqua, yes, aquarium attractions.
Something attraction. But I think dari segi perspektif saya after the COVID-19 kan dorang close, I think that this time they should really make it more like interesting and change ni lah. Make it new most of the thing lah.
Yeah.
So what else do you experience? You went to all the rides, right?
Okay, I went to all the rides. Like I said, the Battlestar Galactica ride was awesome. Go to the Cylon one, especially that. And then one thing yang very unexpected, yang the Mummy ride tu.
Okay.
Kami tanya producer tadi, saya dengan Alif lah.
Ya.
Ni net okay ke ni? Tidak apa-apa ni, gelap-gelap je ni.
Yeah.
Okay, kami masuk lah.
Yeah.
Rupa-rupanya
Scared?
dia naik turun juga.
Yeah. So you guys got scared lah?
Yeah, I'm not scared, but it was exciting lah.
Scared lah.
The worst
is the kaki sangkut kaki.
Sangkut kaki, no.
Okay.
That's the best.
Okay.
The worst is the apalah yang treasure hunter tu lah, yang kereta.
Don't say the worst because some of the kids enjoy it. It's for the kids, not for the. It's for the family ride.
It's my opinion though, nah. But yeah, for me is that lah. And
no, what I'm saying yang the worst actually yang menakutkan, the paling menakutkan.
Okay, yes, the Battlestar Galactica Cylon.
Okay, the pyramid tu, yang di pyramid tu, we went lah 2018 2018. So what happened? Saya sebenarnya, it's okay.
okay. It's alright.
So what happened is actually, you kan dorang ambil gambar, and then sell the picture outside, yang snap gambar ke apa semua kan. Kami muka like sodal macam gini punya muka kami ni. We're expecting something. You know why dia jadi macam tidak berapa bagus?
Why?
Because it's dark. You cannot experience anything. Dia flash light kan gitu kan tadi. Flash light masuk keluar sekejap terus gelap lagi. It's like you're not experiencing the ride, bah.
You're experiencing epilepsy.
Yes, correct. Epidemic. Epidemic music it's a promotion lagi. But that's what I think lah. And I think after COVID was hit a lot lah. Especially the business, the theme park, the recreation park, recreational park, macam termasuklah big macam Universal Studios tu kan. But I think they should really masa tu ambil peluang untuk kasi renovate.
Or maybe masa tu diorang tiada profit, so it's hard for them to like,
It's Universal Studios, man.
Well, who knows, man? Even big corporation fails, man, during the time.
But they can make movies, they can take from movies. Transformer keluar during the pandemic.
Universal Studio kan?
Yeah.
How about you, man? How about you as a father in a theme park in USS?
Well, okay. As a father,
let's see if the audience can relate.
You just experienced it just now. How I've been a father to let all the kids go, like my kids all go playing the
Maybe
rides.
the audience tidak berapa tahu lah. Kira yang mau jadi bapa lah. How was it?
I don't want to brag about it, but as a Malaysian, it's very expensive. Di 288 lah, lebih kurang gitulah harganya. So kalau kamu dah main semua, bagi saya, dan saya selfish lah kalau tidak kamu suruh kamu pergi main semua.
Betul juga lah.
So apabila kamu semua sudah main, saya mau jaga Rena. And also producer also need to go. Sayang kalau dia nak pergi. It's been really wild. 2018, sekarang sudah 2003. What? 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. It's almost 5 years ago, man.
Fucking 5 years ago, man.
So saya rasa macam do whatever you want. Sebab the thing is, tadi saya dah cakap on the second part. I think they should open early, about 9 o'clock.
Yeah, until 9, right? No, wait, earlier.
Earlier, 9
Opening
and
earlier.
Close at 8. At least at 8 o'clock lah.
Yeah, I mean, last time the opening and closing time pun sama juga.
Last time it's I think 11, tapi dia tutup lewat jam 8 because the show pukul 7. The show was yang gelap-gelap yang begini.
Right.
I still ride during the time. I think pukul 7 saya masih ride lagi.
Shit, man, that was
time.
fun, man.
Yeah,
That sounds fun, man.
It's good for your revenue juga kan, for Universal Studio. Saya kira mau cakap kata Galactica tadi sangat funny ya. Bukan funny lah, I mean good thing lah, because why? Di luar dia ada test seat. This is good, bah. Extra precaution lah.
So kira I didn't sit on it because I was very confident lah kan. I was sat on it, I was like, nasib.
I think
it fits.
The test seat tu okay, tapi the test of the what do you call that, the bearing lah patut orang test kan.
Bearing.
Ya, because kau bergantung di atas bearing to be frank.
Oh shit, man.
Kan? Kalau
dia tidak bilang berapa kilo limit.
Ya. Dia pakai height ni. Tiba-tiba kau next time kau come in. How long is your tonton? Voodoo. Cannot go in. Very short.
This one will block the safety mechanism from closing.
Well, yeah. So what? Tell us, man. What is your experience? What if you the the manager here lah? What do you wanna improve?
Funny thing is, I love playing Roller Coaster Tycoon. It's a PC game that allows you to build theme park.
Okay.
So I sort of look at it in a sense of how will I build this and how will it give me profit.
That's the roller coaster.
Yeah, that's a roller coaster. It's a theme park, the whole thing.
I see.
Yeah. So how to improve it? I like how they macam just one way saja, and then you have to come back.
Okay.
Yeah, and that really increases profit. But for the time being, everything is doing. They look. I mean, everything is okay. System is okay. You need to improve on the aesthetics. Seriously, I see that everything is wearing down. I mean, we're looking at the tiangs and all that. This is the basic thing. Cat lah.
Yeah, refurbish and
Nippon
everything.
Paint lah.
Yes, I think so too. I think it's Universal Studio. We're not talking about small things, guys.
Yeah, we're not talking about Kota Murdo punya.
But hopefully you see how they generate ini puluh-puluh ribu per day lah, Singapore dollar. So bayangkan kalau ada di Kota Marudu ataupun di Kota Sabah lah. They should really have in Sabah theme park sebegini yang mana orang boleh spend time sama keluarga, can make more job opportunities, can make more memories,
True, man.
can make more people, bond together as a family.
Right.
Yeah, and then can make people tired and sleep early. And also generate many revenues again.
Yes,
Dua kali
so-
saya sebut generate revenue.
Because money is king.
Yes,
Yeah, and people coming in to that area will berkembang, man.
correct.
Yeah, money flowing in, development, people tidak hisap gam and all that. They find proper jobs,
Ya, hisap
and
gam,
we
dah
have
hisap apa.
proper family.
Ganja semua kan.
Ja, gan, ja.
We're in Singapore kan.
Yeah,
But
man.
this is the third part. After this, we want to cover. Besok di Merlion sebenarnya. But probably
Merlion.
tonight probably tengok macam mana kalau ada masa. We do 2 parts dulu. Satu part yang kita buat di Merlion, so which is easy.
Right.
And then
So
the
we are
next day on
going-
Monday kita buat di My Lifestyle lah. We try to collect ataupun contact our friends lah here to bring
Yeah.
in the studio lah like that.
Cool, man.
But
That's
macam
on-
doesn't work lah kita punya P4 kan. Macam sounds so wrong. And kita pernah hidup dengan itu almost like berapa months lah.
Padahal okay je kan?
Not so okay lah. I mean okay but
Okay
not so
lah.
okay. Kita terbiasa sudah professional sound lah. But guys, this is using our phones.
This is set up. If you are seeing on the video, this is how it is.
Yes.
So a lot of wires
yeah.
hanging out of my bag actually.
Ya, sepatutnya tak perlu sikit ni berpanjang pun gitu. Yang kau buka
But it's
satu tali
too long,
kenapa?
Kau punya lagi simple.
Yeah, well, yeah.
Yeah.
But this is a Type C. I'm using Type C. Kau using
Mine is a lightning, with
right.
a McDodo adapter and all that lah.
And all the shit lah.
Yeah,
And all
wired
the
lah.
wire and everything. Macam kau betul-betul kru.
I'm the sound engineer here.
Yeah.
Even though I don't know anything about sound, we need Mr. Odek.
Ya, Odek dah dapat terbang lah.
Yeah,
Well,
Odek.
okay. Outside dia sangat awesome.
Yeah.
Producer is pusing-pusing di sini.
Yes, sir.
Looking for probably some kasih entertain Ingrid lah. I think
Yeah.
she's going to fall asleep in a bit lah.
Oh no.
Actually okay juga supaya dia boleh bangun nanti and boleh join later because orang Razi wanna bring us out.
Yeah, Unaz Razi
Usan-usan
and
tapi
Usan-Usan,
stand-ish so which is better. Kalau dia
Yeah.
tidur sekarang nanti dia bangun balik kan.
Okay. How do we get here just now? We use Grab kan?
Ya, use Grab. Balik ni kita akan guna MRT pergi Vivo City.
Alright.
Vivo City baru kita ambil Grab lah. Just kasih experience how we get the
MRT lah.
naik MRT. Ingrid wanna try the train. Dia cakap train dia cakap kan.
Oh,
So why not?
Okay.
Yeah, why not?
It's free from here, is it?
Yeah, it's free. Everybody's free from here.
It's awesome, man. All right, for those of you guys on the video, that's the rotating, the most famous Universal Studios globe.
Yes, correct.
It is the icon
Yes. Yeah.
of USS.
Yeah, so kami mau ada ni visual. We need this visual so that orang bilang gila juga kena podcast ni. Sampai di Universal Studio juga kena juga betul loh.
Mau juga begitu.
Yes. Ada orang nampak kami macam kami guna video sendiri recording video kan tapi dong masih boleh pas dalam kodon. Kami memasak di kena belah podcast ini. Sial.
Kira kita anu lah kan made it lah.
Made it juga but this is probably kita tengah diperhatikan juga.
Yeah,
So
betul dia.
we're hoping that you guys can bond with our stories lah. Kalau
Yeah,
mau ada
man.
cerita menarik, we want to cover. For sure, let us know.
Yeah.
But as for now, kenapa kami di Singapura ni? Kenapa kita pilih Singapura? Why? Kita
Yeah.
punya listeners banyak lagi orang Singapura. Pertama,
Yes.
kita banyak orang bilang Singapore consume podcast way better than us Malaysian.
Yes.
Apalagi Sabahan.
Sabahan wake up lah. Sabahan wake up lah. Dengar lah podcast.
I mean, dah mau paksa lah, dah paksa.
You like what you like lah.
You like lah. Tapi kami Sabahan ada podcast yang nombor 1 begini.
Yes.
Sampai di sini, you guys should support lah, right?
Yeah, support guys.
Paksa lagi. Kamu betul tak kamu ni? Sampai kamu belum mau support.
Kenapa kau ni ya? Gini? Terus juga.
This is a good thing about di Singapore kan. Kalau di Sabah kau begini sudah orang macam sekeliling kau. Tapi di sini macam people doesn't really care.
Yeah, people really care lah. Yeah.
Which is okay lah.
Yeah.
So yeah. Kenapa kami di Singapore? Because kami banyak listeners daripada Singapore. Kami juga ada banyak orang bilang mutual friends to Okay Let's Go.
A lot, man.
Yeah. And we have followers daripada Singapore banyak. Dan Singapore consume podcast lebih banyak daripada di Malaysia dan juga di Sabah lah. Yeah.
True.
So kali ni kamu akan nampak Universal Studio di belakang Wiza. I don't know still gelap kan, gelap di video ni sekarang, I don't know. Because kami set up by Ampai sana sebenarnya.
Yeah.
But kami berada di Universal Studio of Singapore.
Yes,
Begitulah.
yes, we are.
Alright, Ken.
Yeah.
Kau tunggu aku jangan tu punya queue.
Saya
What do you want to? Kau apa? Kau shock.
I'm actually very touched lah.
Okay.
I think from the first part sampai sekarang saya masih
Overwhelmed.
touched. Very overwhelmed with Singapore punya hospitality lah. You
Yes.
guys are wrong, man. Seriously.
Yeah, banyak.
You guys are so wrong about Singaporeans. They are so kind and so hospitable.
They're so good, man. But I never judge, by the way. Cuma cerita-cerita yang viral lah, you know. Ada sih cakap pada second part tadi basically.
Isi minyak, goyang
Yeah.
kereta, kencing sini sana.
Yeah.
You guys make them sound like China tourists. They are not.
Yeah. I mean, kalau yang orang Malaysia sendiri dah viral, tapi orang Singapore viral pula. Come on, man.
Lagi teruk kita loh.
Who?
Hah?
No, I don't know you.
Ada. I got one. Dia parking sekretari di sebelah, lepas tu dia kencing sih. Lalu dia panjang-panjang nampak.
Mau sabar, lolo panjang kalau pendek.
Oh iyalah, syukurlah.
Kau ni dah boleh lah cakap lolo panjang. Kasih buruk the story. Mesti change the narrative. Kalau pendek dia punya tonton lo. But okay, we don't want to talk about tonton lo di sini.
Dia tambah
We just want to tell you guys how hospitable the kawan-kawan di Singapore ni.
Yes.
Saya sangat-sangat saya kasut next
Terkilan.
malam. Saya macam mau nangis. Bukan terkilan salah.
Salah ke?
Itu kesakitan.
Oh, sakit.
Rasa terjahat kan.
Iya.
Terasa disakiti. Kau ni
Terharu.
Saya kata dia heartfelt, overwhelmed, and as well people of Singapore.
Yeah,
Hi, hello.
Hello. Yeah.
Oh, you're moving lagi kami video kami ni. It's
Ya,
okay.
dia sengaja, bro.
So, Kimbe betul orang ni. So, alright. Oh, Kimbe lagi.
Kimbe lagi tu.
Itu bukan Singaporean tu. So, Singaporean bagus mah.
Itulah.
Tapi semalam saya mau cerita in very specific episode yang tidak yang proper lah untuk cerita pasal Razi.
Okay.
Punya show pasal pasal apa yang berlaku, overwhelmed and everything ni. Tapi kali ni memang USS dan kalau kamu lama nak pergi USS, bukan saya cakap kamu tak perlu pergi. Kalau kamu perlu, for me kamu you should go.
Yes, this is one of the
Experience yourself.
attraction here, man.
Attraction. Budak sangat suka, my daughter sangat suka.
Yeah.
Banyak tempat yang dia boleh naik dan dia boleh ride dan dia boleh join macam the show. We went for Shrek punya show tadi, 4D punya with the moving chair and
You
ada
guys
air
been
keluar.
just now?
Yeah, we went there.
Awesome.
Lepas tu ada wangi dia, kau boleh dapat rasa. Ariana macam mau tangkap tu, you know. Yeah. And then also the Transformers, dia layak untuk
Transformer
dia
memang
pakai
best.
tinggi di sini.
Yeah.
Yeah, so she gonna remember this lah. Saya risau sejak sampai di Kota Merdu. Yang balik dia Bumblebee, dia bilang.
Alamak, pasal lagi kamu pergi Singapura lah begini.
Iya, why not, ba?
Tapi yang saya risau tadi tu kan, yang masa Transformer tu kan, macam yang nangis kan ya.
Tak kan? She likes it.
Dia okay pula.
Yeah. She likes it.
Awesome,
Well,
man. This has been a very awesome experience for me so
Saya rasa,
far.
yeah.
Yeah.
I just want to say awesome experience. Saya dah percaya saya sudah di Singapore, which is senang saya sebenarnya pergi
Same.
Singapore, one flight away saja.
Yeah, one flight away.
But people make it hard because of bukan make it hard. Dia agak sedikit because of the currency exchange lah.
Yes, it's $1 to 3.4 ringgit at the moment, and it's bikin terkejut juga lah. Tapi we're here. We're finally here, man.
Yes.
Yeah.
But alright, I think that's about it about USS. Kita first part ada cerita. Kita di meja makan dari first part.
Yeah, kita di Tiniang.
Tiniang. On the second part,
Tiniang
it's
food
okay.
court.
It's
Yeah.
okay. So second part tadi we did, I did alone, and this is the third part.
Yeah.
So I think sampai di sini saya ceritakan pasal USS. Satu kali lagi kami mau berterima kasih kepada orang Kota Merdu Tunggal Jipun Johan,
Yes.
yang menaja perjalanan ataupun tiket kami di Universal Studio ini.
Thank you so much,
Thank you so much, Johan. Dan
You're so
dia
kind,
sedang
man.
dia masih mempromosikan Amori walaupun dia di Washington sekarang. Ada banyak orang bilang videos di channel Lagu Dari Langit.
Yes, sir. So
Apa tu? Ada
check it
playlist
out.
apa tu? Ya.
Ada playlist. Check out dia punya playlist di Lagu Dari Langit. Orang Kota Merdu tinggal di Jepun.
Yes.
There's a lot for you to check it. Check out dia punya what was the jeans again?
The Mitsukajan ada,
Mitsukajan
the jeans tu ada,
the culture, Aomori apple,
Yeah,
Fuji
yeah.
apple or is it? Aomori apples.
yeah. Actually, the Fuji doesn't come from the Fuji, it's from the Omori begitu. Tapi dia Fuji apples gitu.
See, that's why you need to go and check out.
Not to be close and
The-
bukot tu.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
That's why you need to go and check out.
Dan sekali Ali pecah tu dari tadi suara anda. Never mind. Okay,
Yeah.
check out what?
That's why you need to go and check out Orang Kota Merutu Tinggal Jepun di Lagu Dari Langit channel YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah, so check it out today.
Subscribe, like dan juga share.
Aha.
Dan cari dorang di social media semua.
I'm supposed to say that.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's okay. Never
sorry,
mind, man.
man.
So sampai di sini saja kami punya report kami. Dia report
Dari
di
USS.
all the way live daripada Singapura.
Yes.
Saya Ricardo.
Saya Kenny.
Kami dari Kinabalu Podcast, the number one podcast in Sabah. Ciao, ciao.
Ciao, bella, ciao.
Hi everybody, my name is Adam Shamil. You're listening to Kinabalu Podcast, the number one podcast in Sabah.